Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off power button to end call in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you have already enabled or if you have accidentally enabled power button to end calls in your phone, yes, you can just turn off here. I am now checking what's the problem is. I am showing the problem. Okay, I am in the call. Okay, and if I press power button and call will be cut. Okay, so power button is used to end the call. Okay, so if you would like to turn off this feature, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to additional settings, go to additional settings, and here select accessibility, and just to turn off this button, press power button to end calls. Now I am checking whether it has been turned off or not. Yes, I am making a call from another number. I attend the call, and now I press this power button to end the call, but when I press this power button, it will not end because the settings is now turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off power button to end call option in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Now you only use the soft key to end the call. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.